Okay, it's December 29th. I've got a couple friends over to help out. Say hi to Brian, everybody. Hi. We're gonna make some Spam Musubis using the musubi making kit that Aloha Show you sent me. We got rice, Spam, teriyaki sauce, some nori. We have our slicer. Okay. And of course, we have our little molding kit here. Are you struggling there, Brian?
Effortless.
There's something really satisfying about those, like, just perfect slices that we're gonna fry the crap out of. Those are looking lovely, Chef Sour. We're now going to put these into this Aloha teriyaki sauce.
Ooh. Look at that.
Someone's gonna be like, "That's not the way to do it." I'm like, "I'm sorry."
Ooh. Look at that.
That's
beautiful.
not bad.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
I made a musubi. I mean, honestly, dude, I think we did a great job with these. These look pretty great. Okay, and we got a nice cross section. We got a sauce made out of Aloha shoyu and toasted sesame seed oil. I mean, I think that doesn't look half bad, to be honest. Don't read me in the comments. I swear to God, I'll cry. Please.